Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, and I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways to build context. Very, very impressive bounce. To think that at one point Tesla was all the way down there, then managed to close all the way up there. That was a very, very impressive move, but that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at 575. Now, no, I lied. 570. Why is 570 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 570, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, to be fair, because no price can go straight up either, is maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress. And in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 570. In terms of areas of resistance, I'm very curious about, and I'm sure a lot of other people are very curious about, is how is the price going to behave if it can get to that 50-period moving average? You can see previously that was the level that smacked the price back down. So keep a very close eye on that as the bounce continues, because nobody knows that. But if the bounce does continue, watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. That'll certainly be the main area of resistance to watch moving forward. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very nice bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this bounce next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.